Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Merrill Edge self-directed account. The Merrill Edge self-directed account is a solid choice for beginners and intermediate investors who want easy access to investing tools. It's backed by Bank of America, so if you've already banked there, linking your accounts is simple and gives you reward like lower fees and better cash management. The platform is easy to use and gives access to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds. It also offers great educational tools and research from Morningstar and BofA. There are no account minimums or annual fees, making it beginner-friendly. However, it lacks some advanced features for pro traders. The trading tools work well, but they're not as detailed as platforms like TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. Customer service is solid, but you can visit Bank of America branches if needed. You also get real-time alerts and good mobile access. If you qualify for the Preferred Rewards program, you can save even more. But options trading fees may be slightly higher. Overall, Merrill Edge is ideal for those who want convenience, rewards, and trusted service. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.